What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. So what you want to do guys, if you're currently experiencing that issue with WhatsApp, I want to recommend that if you have WhatsApp open, just go ahead and close out of WhatsApp, and you will need to open it again and see if the issue has been solved. If that does not fix the problem for you, go ahead and open up settings on your phone, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find apps. Now once you find apps, just simply go ahead and use the search at the upper right and just simply type in WhatsApp. Once you find it, click on it, and you can go ahead and try to force stop the application. If you force stop the application and it does not work, then what you can also do is go ahead and clear the cache, right? So you can go ahead and click on storage, and from here you will see clear cache and clear data. You can try these two options at the bottom. For example, clear cache, I'll show you that, and you can see if that actually solve the problem. You can also clear the data as well to see if that fixed the problem, and if it does not after these two solutions, then you can try to force stop it again and uninstall the application here on your phone. Once you uninstall, you need to go back to your Play Store and just go ahead and start searching for WhatsApp all over again. Once you find it, go ahead and install the WhatsApp, and you'll be able to try again to see if that solve the problem once you install and set up WhatsApp. What I also want to recommend to you that just before you uninstall WhatsApp, it's important that you back up your data. So you can open WhatsApp. Now once you're inside of WhatsApp, go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Then from here you can click on chats, and you will be able to scroll down towards the bottom and find chat backup. You want to tap on that, and you want to hit backup at the top there, as you can see, backup, and you will be able to back up your chats. And so once you do that, after you uninstall the application and you try to install it back, you'll be able to go through the process of restoring your backup for your chats just before you have it start running again. And so for you'll have your chats restored because you've backed them up. So it's important to know, if you reach this far and want to uninstall the app, it's important to back up your chat data. But that's pretty much it guys. Go ahead and try these solutions. I hope one of them will at least help to fix the problem for you, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any issues still, or if it works for you. I'll be more than happy to find another solution that I can share with you guys.